was out recently at a school commissioning some electronic acoustic systems in music rehearsal rooms, as well as an actual large auditorium. Part of the playback was done on this device you see in the computer in front of me, which is a simulation of the directivity of live instruments.
I know some of these words.
It's done with a special recording technique and playback technique, and it lets you have, in this case, a violin player that we couldn't get to show up. In one of the spaces, you'll hear a live tuba player with and without the electronic acoustic enhancement, and then in the auditorium, you'll hear the violin with and without. I apologize, the clips aren't longer, but we're working with factory personnel in commissioning. Everybody's on a deadline, and there's only so much we can do. Recordings were done on an iPhone 11 in stereo. They play back very well on headphones. Just gives you some idea of how much these systems change the acoustics of the entire room. If you hear it a bit, you'll notice that other sounds in the background, people talking and other things going on, are also being affected by the system, because this is not miking an instrument and playing it through a pair of speakers. By the way, those monitors you see on the floor were not in use for any of these playbacks. They were used for other functions, for tuning maximum sound pressure level and other aspects of the systems. So enjoy.